everybody, it's Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a crochet bobble stitch. So I have 9 stitches on here just because I'm going to alternate between a bobble stitch and a single crochet. So if you want to chain on 10 and then you'll get to 9 stitches, you can join along with me. So after I single crocheted row 1, I'm going to chain 3 and then turn. So the bobble stitch is just a cluster of double crochets that will kind of poof out and look like, here I can show an example, they'll poof out and look like this here. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the base stitch here, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. So you will have 2 loops on your hook. So now we're going to yarn over again, insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And now you'll have 3 loops on your hook. So we're going to keep doing this until we get 5 loops on our hook, since this first chain 3 will count as part of the bobble. So yarn over, insert into that stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 5 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 5. And then in the next stitch, we're going to do a single crochet. And do the same thing again, except we want 6 loops on our hook. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And then again, yarn over, insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Then when you have 6 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over, pull through all 6, do 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then create another bobble. So once you finish this row, if you're just doing bobble stitches in your pattern, you're going to want to chain 1, turn, and single crochet across the top, and then do another round of bobbles. And on the right side, they'll be kind of poofed out like this, and this is how it will look on the wrong side. And that is how you do the crochet bobble stitch.